I bought these ruby stones off of Amazon. The 2mm ones fit the lead holders, and you can grind them all down to a point or a flat or whatever you want. I'm in the middle of removing the background with a flat graver, and I left these cuts there to show how the ruby stones work. After I remove these cuts, the surface will be left kind of smooth, and I'm going to draw the rest of my image on it and then recut and remove the rest of the background. So I'll be doing this again. In the next video, I'll show the next step of smoothing the background with some what are they called? The ceramic stones, the mini ceramic stones.